What's up? Once again, it's your man John with John's Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Once again, we got this 1967 Impala SS. This is the one about almost 2 years ago. Used to be gold with the black highlights on the body lines. Customer decided he rocked it in New York for 2 summers, gold. He wanted to go that candy blue with the black shadow down the side. So we picked it up with the trailer and brung it back down and repainted it. Got that candy on it now. Still has the red interior. Also got my 76 Caprice pulling up. Frozen. 1976 Caprice glass house. 68,000 original miles on this vehicle. I do have the skirts also. The skirts are in the trunk of the car. The interior is done as well. Sitting on 26s. That's a color we made up here at John's Restoration one night. We started off with a silver and then just went from there, and this is what it came out to be. You want to pop the hood and the trunk and open up one of the doors on the blue one real quick? That's my body man P right there. You know, with John's Restoration, it takes a team of us to get these vehicles done. It's one of the keys. I can never figure out which key it is either. Yeah. By the time I walk around, you'd be done had the key. Still got that red interior. The interior was done almost 2 years ago when we had the car the first time. You can close everything up now and then just pop the hood on the one over there so they can see the original motor in that one. Got some headlights coming for this one. That's the original engine, 68,000 miles on it. You can close the hood down on that one. John's Restoration, we located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. Give us a call. This blue one right here is getting ready to go on the trail. I got to take it back to New York to the owner. (1967) Impala SS on 24s. 1976 Caprice on 26s. And like I said before, we do have the skirts. They're in the trunk of the vehicle. This one's for sale. This one's going back to New York to the owner. John's Restoration. Go on Facebook, John's Restoration 2. Log on, become a friend. See all the latest pictures, videos, events, and everything that John's Restoration is doing. Once again, the contact number is 757-713-2277.